start the match in 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go with match number 23. We already are getting a pixel scored by 20077, scoring 1 yellow pixel in that backdrop. These robots, of course, picking up their pixels, getting ready to score them in this autonomous period. Looks like there maybe was going to be a park, but maybe not. And again, these robots are preparing. Sometimes the best thing for a robot to do in this autonomous is get out of the way and let their partner handle it. That's what 310's doing right now. And Juniper Robotics is handling it quite nicely.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
But of course, that's not necessary when it comes to the driver-controlled period, with all robots immediately beginning motion. 310 Sky Vision scoring that aforementioned yellow pixel that they were holding on to during the autonomous. Now during the driver-controlled period, robots getting ready to score. Yes, that's 2 pixels on the Red Alliance. A little bit of a spin move there, I'd say. And it's going to seemingly work out. A little bit of a bump on the backdrop. Again, you got to be careful, because if you bump these backdrops too hard, these pixels will fall right out. And we've got 310 scoring in the backdrop. Looks like we might have our first completed mosaic from Juniper Robotics. Yes, successful mosaic from Juniper Robotics, but a successful mosaic from 20077, the Indubitables, on the Red Alliance. Robots continuing to get ready and score if possible. Yes, that's a purple pixel on the Red Alliance. That it may interfere with their ability to complete a mosaic. We'll have to see. Blue Alliance, however, scoring a mosaic as well. They might be about to score a 3rd mosaic, too, on the right. That's a fantastic amount of mosaics there for the Blue Alliance, with nearly 3 mosaics there under that first line. Plenty of room to grow, plenty of room to add more pixels to the canvas and create more actual scores. With 51 seconds left in the match, it's head and head here, 147 to 147. It's still anyone's game. It's probably going to come down to the end game and seeing which robots can land those drones in that landing zone in the highest scoring part and get a hang before the end of the match. I'm seeing a lot of teams here not able to knock that hang out before the end of the match because they cut it too close. They get too focused on scoring those pixels. They don't leave enough time for a hang. We'll see if that happens here with 30 seconds left in the match. If these teams are going to be able to land it properly, or if they're going to spend their time rearranging, placing pixels, getting those pixels on the canvas in the proper area. Looks like we've got 4 completed mosaics on the Blue Alliance, only 2 mosaics on the Red Alliance. Looks like we got of all 4 drones scored, mostly in the first zone, except for 1 Red Alliance. Looks like we've got 2 seconds, 1 second, and it looks like we've got quite a few hangs on the field. Again, it's going to be up to the refs to see which of those hangs count during the end game. With a match that is that close, 258 to 284, it could come down to those hangs. Absolutely, it is still anyone's game.
Scores are up for match number 23. We just played on field number 1. Red Alliance won that match 326 to 268. Incredible match by the Red Alliance. Congratulations, Team 20077 and 23-286.